Roan MC Vlog TV, stick on it and stay.
TikTok at GB or Easy One.
Thanks for stop by. Jesus love you.
Yes guys, today a boy in the kitchen again, a new kitchen, doing some french fried chicken. Yes guys, I'm frying up some french fried chicken and rice, no? Guys in the kitchen for the first time again. Yeah, it's not finished fully yet, guys, but yeah, I'm doing anything, you know? Yeah man, no, kitchen look good and thing, you know? Fresh. The rice there guys, yeah, showing the rice, the chicken on the fry already guys. Yeah man, pretty and brown. Yes guys, the leg and thing there in the pot is brown and thing. Yeah man, pretty, you know? Yeah, man, I'm going to take out already out of the pot guys. So that your boy are doing his thing, you know? And pretty guys, brown and pretty. Yes guys, turning a chicken there, you know? You can see them coming very beautifully, guys. Yes guys, make sure they don't burn. You can see it is very beautiful, guys. As I said, not finished yet, but you know, coming on. You can see it look nice, guys. Come on, boy, doing him thing, you know. Start taking out the fry one already. Now I need a little more oil, but when you take out these, I'll put some more oil. Don't want it to get soggy now, so I don't want to put in any oil now. Keep watching guys. Putting a little sauce guys. Too red can take a little browning. Keep watching guys. Yes guys, rice dry out and now, you know, ready, you know. So guys, keep watching to see the progress.